Intro, Ride-MXO. Welcome to Ride-MXO, where we explore the most popular American rides. Today, we take a closer look at the American Toyota Highlander, one of the most trusted family SUVs on US roads. Design styling, the Toyota Highlander carries a bold and modern design that fits perfectly into the American SUV landscape. Its wide stance, sculpted lines, and confident front grille give it a premium appearance. The aerodynamic shape also improves efficiency, making it stylish and practical. Performance engine options. In the US, the Highlander offers smooth and reliable performance with a 2.4-liter turbo engine. It delivers a balanced driving experience suitable for highways, city travel, and long trips. The optional all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in tough weather or light off-road conditions. Interior comfort. Inside, the Highlander focuses on comfort and space. With seating for up to 8 passengers, soft touch materials, and a user-friendly cabin layout, it's designed for families. The large cargo area and multiple storage options make daily driving more convenient. Technology features. American Highlanders are equipped with modern tech like a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota Safety Sense. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and blind spot monitoring enhance the overall driving experience. Practicality. Everyday use. Known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, the Highlander is a top choice for American families. It handles school runs, highway trips, and outdoor adventures with ease. Its balance of power, comfort, and practicality makes it one of Toyota's best-performing SUVs in the US lineup.